Welcome back to our channel today. We've got something really special for all the classic car lovers out there, the legendary 1960 Chevrolet C10. A true icon of American pickup truck history, this beauty blends vintage charm, rugged performance, and a style that still turns heads more than 60 years later. First off, just look at the design. The 1960 model introduced the smooth, streamlined, fleet-side body style. That bold front grille, the dual headlights, and the sculpted side panels give it a futuristic yet tough look that stood out even in its time. It's the kind of design that never gets old, part workhorse, part art piece. Inside the cabin, it's all about simplicity and function. You get a wide bench seat, a metal dashboard, a massive steering wheel, and easy-to-read analog gauges. There are no fancy screens or digital controls here, just pure, honest driving. And somehow, that makes it even more charming. Under the hood, the C10 offers several engine options, from the reliable Thriftmaster inline-6 to the punchy V8 with up to 283 cubic inches of displacement, that's about 4.6 liters. It's got plenty of torque, strong pulling power, and delivers that satisfying old-school rumble. Paired with rear-wheel drive, it was built to haul, cruise, and take on any road with confidence. One major upgrade that made the 1960 C10 a game-changer was its independent front suspension. That gave it a smoother, more controlled ride than previous pickups, making it much more comfortable whether you were using it for work or just heading out on a weekend drive. But the real beauty of the C10? It's how well it lends itself to customization. Restorers and builders around the world, including right here in Japan, love to modify these trucks. Whether it's air suspension, modern engine swaps, or keeping it bone stock, the C10 is a blank canvas for automotive creativity. So, whether you're into classic Americana, love custom builds, or just appreciate good design and honest mechanics, the 1960 Chevy C10 is a truck that delivers. It's strong, stylish, and full of soul, a true legend on wheels. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.